Today we'll show you how to show Wi-Fi password. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to search and click to control and click to here and wait. Okay, now go to this is internet, like click. Okay, now go to this. Okay guys, click and go to this and go to security, click, and this is a password. Okay guys, so okay, click here and finally this is a password. Okay, like copy like this and okay like this. Just now we will go here and put like this and this and this. Okay, look guys, wait 1 second. Okay, here and like this is a password and click, and finally it's connected. Okay, just test it in your PC and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.